National teams will now have something to look forward to at the 2025 National Sports Awards onwards, as the iconic gala will have some new additions starting in 2026. The 2025 RJRGleaner Sports Foundation National Sports Awards will, for the first time, recognize a male and female Team of the Year. The revelation comes among a number of changes to the 2025 edition of the National Awards, which will also see a name change. Chairman of the Sports Foundation, Gary Allen, says the decision was made after extensive consultation.
Yes, well, we all the changes that we have made have been socialized with the wider community in terms of we had consultation with the sports journalist community, we had the selection committee by itself considered things, the board considered things, and we had a consultation session with sporting associations as well. So what we have announced has come out of the wide set of consultations and in fact a substantive recommendation that was received from one sports journalist who actually put pen to paper on a document. And so what we have brought about here is what else do we need to look at.
Meanwhile, Chairman of the Selection Committee, Mike Fennell, says the criteria nominating the teams follows the same path as the individual awards.
Yeah, well, as I mentioned, it's a team sport. They're recognized team sports. As I said, cricket, football, basketball, etc. Not a team of sports people. To make it oversimplified, you can have a swimming team going away and they won the team award. It's not for that team. That's not a team sport. Similarly with other individual sports, athletics and so on. And the criteria would be the performance at the highest level or the next highest level or even down to the domestic level.
One association who could benefit from the introduction of the Team Award is the Jamaica Basketball Association, after outstanding performances on the regional stage.
Yeah, we expect to be nominated. We expect to be a part of that grouping. And this is the very first time we're at this level in terms of World Cup qualifying. So we're on the international stage. And the buzz around, not only regionally, but from Switzerland in terms of the FIBA head office is amazing, and we want to continue that trend.
The 65th staging of the National Sports Awards ceremony will take place on Saturday, January 17, 2026. The awards will be on TVJ, TVJ Sen, Hits 92 FM and One Spot Media.